eccentric. I think for myself, when I look at design, I always look for proportion, I always look for color, I always look for something that doesn't follow the norms of what we see every day. It's still probably a little bit of eccentricity always goes a long way. You know, for me, it's always a self-expression of who you are, and it tells people, hey, look at me, you know. So that's my take on fashion, individuality, means of self-expression, because that's all it is, you know. You see the person and not really the clothes. A person who has style will always have style no matter what they wear. And you should wear the clothes, not the clothes should wear you. Anybody that knows me will know that my favorite color, I'm not wearing it today, but my favorite color is actually shocking pink. Oh God. I'm still trying to wrap my head around the fact that she doesn't have a mouth. You should never use it in the context of a fashion designer or the fashion industry. Because something that's cute is always defined as being adorable but ugly. You know, and you never want anybody to tell you that.
Well, at least you still got your looks.
Oh my God, I can't make miracles. Some people just have no sense of fashion. It's certainly not what you're wearing. You shouldn't always be in black and white. There's so much beautiful colors out there. Why always wear black and white? People on the other side of the camera, you haven't seen who is filming this, so you might find it very interesting to see what he's wearing.